Hi, my name is Hollis. I play as Rylan Ludell in Star Wars Combined, and I'm here to introduce my series on writing, coding, or scripting your own NPCs, droids, and quests. So just as an overview of this video series, I'll try to make each video short and on topic. I'll shoot for 5 to 7 minutes each, and it'll include things like what can you script, how to start a script, functions, branching dialogue, basic quests, debugging, good practices, and we'll see where we go. For this intro, I wanted to talk about why should you learn to script, what kind of benefits can you see, and what can you do. So the first, most straightforward benefit is that you can add personality to the characters and environments around you. I travel around with Tob here as my scripting practice NPC, and over time he started to become the personality of this laughing guy, and it makes travel fun. Another benefit of scripting is that you can increase immersion and create features and characters that are unique to your area. For example, I started writing a station quest where you move back and forth across the station to visit various NPCs, and you kind of get a feel for what their day-to-day life is like, what kind of struggles that they might experience, maybe having to deal with all the imports to the station or all the repairs, or maybe, you know, an absent father because of a mining accident on a local planet. So it really just gives voice and character and can be easily customized to your area. Another benefit of LISP scripting is that, unlike Discord messages and descriptions, scripting can be done anytime and it's localized. So you can put it multiple places across the galaxy and it becomes a very in-person, physical interaction. So it's good for things that you might want to do multiple times for various people, like museum guides, reporters, training. One thing I've thought of you could do is, for example, if you have a zoo with a stamp system, you could create an NPC that, at each zoo, that keeps track of how many stations that person has been to, and it drops a unique custom item that updates the stamps on their little stamp booklet. So that's just a preview of the kind of cool features that you could make after doing this tutorial. Another benefit is financial. I think this is an untapped market. I've seen people start to sell some NPCs, for example, storytellers or combat training NPCs. You can also use it for advertisement and tourism. People are more likely to visit your station and buy your goods if there's a fun experience waiting there for them. And you can also sell your quests for things like faction parties, training programs, maybe even a tour bus. There's lots of options. Perhaps the coolest benefit of learning to script is that if the NPC team has an opening, you can join and help create events like the Lancer Barbara Grimm's drama on Winterfest, or even guard posts. And so you don't need to know PHP to help create new features for the game. You can use the tools that I'll show you in this tutorial to benefit other players. Just to end, I'd like to thank Kay Dalben and Lilith Delcroix for their tutorials that they made. I've learned a lot from them. And subscribe to see the rest of the series.